welcome to my channel. Unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. Shall we see what's in this one? If I can get the bits off that Alice likes. We don't need that bit, do we? That actually might come in handy. A nice bit of cardboard there. I'll probably keep hold of that one. Anyway, what do I have for you? Oh, look at this. Oh. Mythographic, Colour and Discover, Dreamweaver, an artist colouring book of extraordinary reveries, could be, by Alessandra Fusi. Here's the back, if you want to read the back. I saw a lady doing a review on this, and I thought, oh, I have to have it. I know I have colouring books up to there. It's beside the point. When a new one comes out and I see pictures in it, I think, oh, I like that. One has to have it. So what have we got in here? I think I'll pull you down onto the desk so that you can see it that way, to see if I can actually open it better for you. Let's have a look. Come round. Right, what have we got? Here we go. Up the arm. Can you see this? I'll come closer. It's just getting the right angle for you, isn't it, so you can see it. First page. Flamingos. And more. Ah, 1 page per drawing, so that's good. You're not going to ruin anything that's on the back. I would still say, when you do these, put a piece of card or a spare sheet in between your pages, just to keep it nice, I think, just in case something bleeds through, actually. Alright, let's keep going. What we got? Ooh, what's this one? Anteater and aardvark? Not sure. All sorts of different things on the page, that's for sure. Tigers. 2 tigers in there. It's one of those books where you have to really look to see what's going on. And then once you start colouring it, it will come to life, and then you'll see it, obviously, a lot more. What we got here? A bit of a dragon. Dinosaur. Oh, there's a big head there. There's flowers in there. There's claws there. There's a little building up there. I do hope you're getting this nice and clear. Ooh, there's a pretty. Isn't it? There's dolphins in there, you can see. Stingray? No, dolphins. Girly, dolphin. Fascinating. I love these sorts of books. What's that one? Ooh. Big bumblebees on there. And a girly. Oh, I've caught her now. Yeah. Lady there. And amongst the bumblebees. And there's flowers as well, so that's always nice. Bit of a whale. He's huge, isn't he? But just so much. I can't begin to explain to you how much is on these pages, because it's just mind-boggling. Oh, rats or mices. I don't mind them. Don't like spiders, but I don't mind rats. Looks like a bit of a lizardy thing there. Another sort of froggy one. I'm just sort of homing in on animals, I know. Birds. But there is so much on this one. And what we got there? Deer, antelope, moth, perhaps. Another one there. Oh, there's a bigger one. Could be moths, I think, because they're bigger than butterflies, aren't they? So I tend to think it could be moths. Ooh, flowers. Flowers. Fishies. But they're bunnies. Oh, that's a bit odd, isn't it? Where it's got like antlers, bunny, fish. Ooh, really different colouring. Fox, fox, another fox, another fox. Plenty of flowers to do. Do you like flowers? Goodness me, what's on that one? Looks a bit spacey, doesn't it? Although there's a cat's face in there. Does look a bit spacey. Oh, one more. Well, I can see there's a big eye on there. Could be a big toad. Perhaps that's his, you know when they blow a bubble, ribbit, ribbit. Could be that. Oh, there's his fingers up there. That one. Looks like a bit of a robot going on there. Oh, and here. They're very different, aren't they? That's definitely a fishy one. There's fishies and anemones on there. Sea anemones. Ooh, key to the door. Although it looks to be on a backbone. Bizarre. Birds again. Looks like a swan down the bottom. Reeds, things. Is he an egret or something else? Looks like a swan again. Lots of different subjects. Lion. Looks like a tower, doesn't it? And it's got ivy down there. Playing cards. All sorts of things on these pages. Look at him. Ooh, he's nice, isn't he? Is he a wolf? Could be a wolf. And he's got like feathers and a dream catcher. That's because it's called the dream book, isn't it? So this is your dream catcher. I like that. I have to colour that one in, definitely. Well, I'd like to colour all of them in. That looks a bit Chinesey with its lanterns, doesn't it? Chinese lanterns. We've got a fair few here, haven't we? Ooh. It's a pretty one. It's got a clock in there. It's got starfish. Mermaid. She looks like a mermaid on there. Okay. This one, did I? No. An owl. Let's turn the pages nicely for you. Ooh, that's a bit mechanical. Is it steampunk they call that? When they get all the gears and bolts and things in there. Ooh, what's that? Dragony? Oh, there's a snake. There's a dragon's. Looks like it could be a big butterfly. Really huge flowers to do. Which are nice. Ooh, turtle? Tortoise? Either, all of the above. Ships and buildings. It's just a bit of a fantasy thing, isn't it? It's a horse in two parts. With like flowers growing out of half of him. Strange. It's a pretty one. It's like a Fabergé egg, isn't it? It's got birds in the middle of it. They open like that. So I believe. And this one. Horse, deer, dog. Not sure at this angle. Sure you could tell me. All will become clear when we colour them in, won't they? Now that's a sheep. I can see he's a ram, isn't it? Because he's got his horns on him. Good one. Different. Not going to guess what they are. These ones. Yes. The name eludes me on that one. They've got long tails. Yep. Men in their flying machines. The clouds. What else we got? Next one. Is it an eagle? Looks a bit eaglish, doesn't he? In there. I like all the... Ah, hang on. There's a... Looks like a lady's hand down there, because that's her nails. Oh, and that side. And then it's got like all trinkets along the top. As I said, you're only going to know what they are once you've coloured them in. You've picked out, that's an owl by the looks of it. Oh, and it's a moon with a face on it. Butterflies. Mind you, something with his mouth open there. Trying to eat the butterflies, do you think? Not sure. Oh, a clock. You know the sand clocks? You turn it upside down, you've got to wait for it to go through. One of those sorts of clocks. Looks like some mythical creature there. Turn the page then. Fish. Definitely a fish on this, going on this one. Ooh, that looks like a bit of a squirrely thing. Could be something else. Big light. It looks like there's a girlie on a swing in the light. Different. You can see why I wanted it. They were just so different. You know, it's like the Kirby Roseanne ones and the Jonah Basford ones. There's another one that's just really different. And I do like these. I'm not good at just colouring in like a set picture. How does that work? You know, a picture of a house or something. I much prefer stuff to be all mixed up. All different things in one picture. Cool. Pelican, you think? There's fishies in there. Flying fish by the looks of it. You see him? Nearly there. Stick with it. Pussycat and fish. A carp. Look like carp, don't they? Koi carp. What's this one? Looks like a bear. Do you think that one's a bear? Does look a bit bearish, doesn't he? There we go. Oh, little faces on that one. And that's a hand down the bottom because it's holding, or two hands holding that. Three faces. Spotted another one. And there you have it. And advertising more of the same gorgeous books. Discover more of Mythographic. Just trying to see if there's anything on this back one for you. Use two hands, Lynn. Right, no, there isn't anything on the back. That's fine. So, there we go. Rather a good one for you to get your hands on and have a bit of colouring and lose yourself in the picture. That's what it's about, just losing ourselves. Not thinking about the washing, the shopping. Have I got to pick kiddies up from school? Has Grandma got her sandwich? You know, just, no, this is totally me time, you time. Just do a bit of colouring. Enjoy yourself. So don't forget to put your bit of paper on the back, just to make sure stuff doesn't go through. Some pens will bleed through more than others, so you want to make sure your nice book is not going to bleed through. So, on that note, something a bit different again, I shall say. Do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe. Click the like button if you like it. Leave me messages. Have you got one of these? I got this on Amazon, by the way. It's on Amazon. And it came quite quickly. I think it was only released in the UK yesterday, because it came yesterday. So whether it was released on the 23rd, got to me on the 24th, not sure. But it is a new one, very new. Very nice. Enjoy yourself. You stay safe, you take care. And it's bye-bye for now. Bing.